Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to set wallpaper in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to set guys wallpaper in your Vivo phone, so as you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set wallpaper in our Vivo phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to guys on your guys phone setting guys. So we will click on phone setting to set a wallpaper. Then guys scroll. Guys, you can see lock screen and wallpaper setting. Tap here. Guys, click on your wallpaper setting. So which wallpaper guys you like guys, and guys you don't have wallpaper guys, you want to download wallpaper, so guys you can download from here. And guys I have guys this wallpaper, so guys I will click here guys, see more wallpaper. So guys, I will set guys this one wallpaper guys, this live wallpaper. And guys apply, set to dashboard, set log and guys log and home screen guys, both of guys. So I will click here, then guys you can see applied successful. So you can see guys new wallpaper guys, home screen and guys lock screen wallpaper. By this live wallpaper guys you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to set wallpaper in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching my video guys. Bye bye friends.